So this is the 2-wheel and the 3-wheel walker, and I'm gonna compare both of these, starting with how easy they are to fold. So the 2-wheel one is very easy. You're just gonna have 2 latches over here. You give it a push, press it in, and there you go. This is gonna take up very little space. It's also very lightweight. It's gonna be a lot lighter than this one here. And you can just put it against the wall like so. And now when it comes to the 3-wheel one, this is also pretty easy. Just give it a push over here and it'll fold into place. But unlike the 2-wheel one, this one can balance on its own. It's not gonna take up a lot of space either, but of course, it'll still be more than this one. Opening both of them up is pretty easy as well too. Give them a pull, and there it is. There's the 2-wheel one, and similarly, you just pull both handles, and there you go. There's the 3-wheel. Now both these are gonna be adjustable. If I want, I can adjust this more towards the bottom, and here you can see how it looks like. It's gonna have these buttons here. So I just push it down, and they're locked into place. So it's very simple to do that. And just like this one, it's also gonna be the same thing over here. And it's gonna be on the handles right there, except there's gonna be less adjustments here when compared to the 2-wheel one. Now, some differences. Because this is 2 wheels, there's no brakes on this. You just push along, or you can use this kind of like a regular walker like this. Whereas the 3-wheel one, you are gonna have the option to brake, just because there's 3 wheels and you wanna be sure you can actually stop this like that. And you can also lock it into place, something you can't do with this one, again, because there's no brakes. Now, one thing the 3-wheel one has that the 2-wheel doesn't is gonna be an option for storage, which is gonna be right here, so you can store a little bit of things. This is also pretty deep, like my whole arm fits into here, about this much from the bottom to here, so this is over a foot. And this bag also does come off. You could just pull it from both sides, and there you go, and then you could just carry it kind of like this, like a little pouch. And then I could put it back inside here, and there it is. But yeah, that's a quick look at the 2-wheel and the 3-wheel walkers.